So what should you do if you've had a claim filed against you in Dallas or Fort Worth, Texas regarding a car accident case? Well, the short answer is you need to take it seriously and get this claim, whether it be a letter, a fax, an email, a text, however you learn about it, you need to get it to your own insurance company and tell them everything you know about the wreck. That's what you should do. From there, the insurance company will investigate the case, try to make a determination whether you're at fault or the other person's at fault, and handle the claim accordingly. You really don't have to do very much besides get the information to your insurance company and cooperate. Now, they will have questions for you. Always cooperate. Return their phone calls. We hear this a lot at my firm, that the insurance company can't get a hold of their insured. The problem is if you ignore your own insurance company, you could become at risk of losing that insurance. You've been paying monthly for it. It's there to protect you, in case you cause a wreck. But if you don't cooperate, you don't return phone calls to your own insurance company, you could lose all that insurance. They can pull the insurance and cancel it and not cover the wreck if you don't cooperate. So it's very important to, number one, get the claim to the insurance company. Call them up, call the 1-800 number. Spend time with them, tell them about the wreck, answer all their questions. And then if they have follow-up questions, answer the phone call them back, tell them what they're asking. They're not gonna ask anything invasive. They're basically gonna wanna find out about the wreck. Now that's if a claim is filed. And most claims can be resolved one way or the other without a lawsuit. If, however, the claim can't be resolved and the other party in the wreck files a lawsuit against you, you will be served by a process server at your house, at your work, on the soccer field, somewhere. They're gonna hand you a piece of paper. Don't panic. Take that piece of paper and get it to the insurance company. Usually by then you know about the claim and you'll have an adjuster saved in on your phone. Call the adjuster, get them the lawsuit papers. It's called an original petition in Texas and it spells out the lawsuit. Don't be scared, just get it to the insurance company and then that's the beginning of a lawsuit. Lawsuits do take a while to resolve. The insurance company will assign, well, first of all, they'll hire a lawyer on your behalf and they'll assign them to you. You'll be notified, you'll have the lawyer's contact, you'll have the lawyer's paralegal's contact. Always cooperate with them, call them back, and they will help you through the process. They will need your involvement several times. Most car wreck lawsuits have depositions taken in them where you will give your deposition, which is just a formal way of you telling your side of the story. A lawyer will ask you questions and you will give responses. Cooperate with your insurance company's lawyer in giving that deposition. Usually the cases are resolved at that point or soon thereafter. Every now and then, cases get tried before a jury in the same county that the wreck occurred in, and you'll have to be called to testify. And again, tell your story on how the wreck happened. But overall, it's a pretty easy process. All you have to do is listen to your insurance company, return their phone calls. If they ask you to be somewhere to tell your story, be there. Cooperate. You have a duty in your insurance contract with your insurance company to cooperate. It's your responsibility to cooperate, which starts off by notifying them when you hear of a claim. It continues if you get sued to get the suit papers to your insurance company, and all the way through a trial if, in the unlikely scenario, the case gets tried before the jury. But to sum it all up, just cooperate with the insurance company and everything will be okay.